So hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to hide your game activity or the game activity status in Discord. So first off, you'd want to go here on user settings. Once you're there, just scroll down a little till you arrive here or till you see this section, the activity settings, and click on activity privacy. Once you're there, under activity status, click on display current activity as a status message and turn that off. Also turn off this option, share your activity status by default when joining large servers. So click on yes. Once you're done with that, you could go back here, and as you can see that this status is not showing, although you can see it here, it can only be seen by you, but others cannot see your game activity status since it's no longer here. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps to reach more people. See you on the next one.